What does that mean? They're not responsible for spoilers. Help.
Oh no. We're gonna be spoiled.
We're gonna be spoiled on Squid Game Season 3. Has anything come out yet?
No.
I got my fries. There's no ketchup.
No.
I failed on that part. That's my fault. We're gonna head to Grandma's though after this car wash.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna die. We're in a water ride. Oh my god, I can't see anything. Look at the top. Okay, it's actually terrifying. I'm scared. I am terrified. This is... It feels like, oh my god! We're in a storm. Blue! This is fucking terrifying! Look at this madness! Green! There better be purple. Oh my god, I'm actually scared. It's like we're going through the worst tornado ever. Triple foam!
Triple.
Ah!
There's purple.
Yay. I'm actually scared, guys. Oh my god. It sounds like there's hail dropping on top of the car. I haven't been in a car wash in years, guys.
Yeah.
Oh my god, oh my god. This is like a ride. I'm scared. Hot wax! High pressure! Oh my god! It's like a Danganronpa execution. Ah! Where are we?
We're not at the car wash anymore.
We're not in Kansas anymore.
Yeah.
Alright, time to lift the windows.
Oh, no. Ready for the wind tunnel?
You guys want another rinse cycle? I'm buying. Okay, this is a little underwhelming here.
I know. Usually it's on a higher freaking pressure or whatever.
Tire pressure! But
My pants.
yay! Look how fun!
I think there's a bigger one.
That was terrifying.
Is it gonna come down?
Is it gonna come? Ah!
We're a little late.
The car's. Whoa! Poof. Where do we go?
No, we wait until those go. Yeah, we go.
No,
Done.
we did it!
We survived. We didn't drown.
Self-serve vacuums. Do you need a vacuum or are we good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm all good. This is the Toys R Us, by the way.